Dubai is building the future. EdNex Automation brings you the EVS Mobile, intelligent vision welding robot and AI-powered, autonomous robot that navigates your entire facility by itself, scans any workpiece with 3D vision, and welds with zero programming, zero rework, and zero downtime. Whether you're in construction, oil and gas, shipbuilding, heavy industry, or power and energy, one robot handles it all. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. With weld accuracy down to half a millimeter. No fixtures, no teaching. Just place the workpiece and let artificial intelligence take over. EdNex Automation is offering free site assessments, fast deployment, and proven ROI across Dubai and the UAE. Visit or call us today, and let's weld the future together.